Rim stands in the doorway watching you mop the floor. "You're being silly," he says when you're finished. "What's the good of having a robot if you don't use him?" You walk out the door in a huff. Rim rolls after you. He has a point, of course, but you don't feel like arguing with a robot. You plop down on the porch glider, feeling hot and sweaty. "Boy, some ice cream would sure hit the spot," you say to yourself. Rim turns around and goes back inside. You hope he stays there for a while. He's getting on your nerves. Half an hour later, a delivery truck pulls into your driveway. "Freddy's Fabulous Fountain Treats," says the sign on the van. A delivery boy gets out and unloads a wheelbarrow piled high with ice cream. The ice cream is shaped like a pyramid, nearly 4 feet tall. It rests on a block of ice. 99 scoops, all different flavors, just like you ordered, kid," says Nick. You know that's his name because it's written on his shirt. "Where should I put the stuff?" You realize that Rim must have ordered the ice cream on the phone. What on earth will you do with it all? You could say it's all a mistake and ask Nick to take it back to the store, or you could ask him to put the ice cream in the bathtub. If you ask Nick to take back the ice cream, click here. If you ask Nick to put the ice cream in the bathtub, click here.